I was thinking again recently about this burning issue of racism in sport, especially those high-profile elite professional sports such as football, basketball, and even the NFL. Despite the blanket narrative about stamping out racism in sport from the perspective of player employment, player selection, and player profile, there is no credible case of racism at the highest level of most professional sports. In the English Premier League, for example, more than a third of the players are black or non-white. In the NFL, 68% of the players are black or non-white. In the NBA, a whopping 81% of the players are black or non-white. And these are top leagues in predominantly white countries. So no case can be made that players are being marginalized or discriminated against or excluded from these elite leagues because of race. Players are signed to multi-billion-dollar contracts and become bona fide global superstars on talent and not by the color of their skin. Yes. So it is not all gloom and doom. What we have is the odd incident of silly fans in the stands making some chants and blah, blah, blah. But if we are to be brutally honest, in terms of black athletes being treated on merit in high-profile professional sport, to be crying racism is a false alarm. Yes. It's a false alarm. No, false alarm. False alarm. False alarm. False alarm. False alarm.